Amazon provides a straightforward way to manage your addresses. Today, we'll walk through the process of deleting an address from your Amazon account, including important considerations to keep in mind. First, sign in to your Amazon account and navigate to the account settings. From your account page, look for the Your Addresses option, which will take you to the Address Management section. In the Address Management section, you'll see all your saved addresses. Each address will have options to edit or delete. Simply locate the address you want to remove and click the Delete button next to it. After clicking Delete, Amazon will show you a confirmation pop-up. This pop-up explains that deleting the address won't affect pending orders, but reminds you to update any wish lists or subscriptions that use this address. Click Yes to confirm the deletion. There are several important limitations to keep in mind. You cannot delete an address if it's associated with pending orders or active subscriptions. If the address is set as your default, you'll need to change the default first. Additionally, addresses linked to payment methods may require you to update or remove the payment method before deletion. For optimal account management, review your addresses regularly and remove any that are no longer needed. Amazon allows you to store up to 50 addresses, but keeping only current relevant addresses improves security and makes your account easier to manage. Regular maintenance ensures your delivery information stays accurate and up to date. Amazon provides powerful tools for managing your addresses beyond just deleting them. You can easily edit existing addresses and set a default shipping address for streamlined ordering. When you need to update address information, Amazon makes the process straightforward. Whether you've moved, changed your phone number, or need to correct any details, the Edit function gives you full control. To edit an existing address, start by navigating to the Your Addresses section in your Amazon account. This centralized location manages all your shipping and billing addresses. Once you're in the Your Addresses section, locate the address you want to modify. Next to each address, you'll see an Edit button. Click this button to open the address editing form. In the editing form, you can update any field, including your name, phone number, street address, city, state, and zip code. Make your changes carefully, then click the Save button to confirm your updates. Setting a default address is equally important and simple. Your default address is automatically used for most orders, saving you time during checkout and ensuring consistent delivery. To set a default address, simply click the Set as Default option next to your preferred address. This address will be pre-selected for future orders, though you can always change it during checkout if needed. Having an accurate default address is especially important before major shopping events like Prime Day or holiday seasons. It ensures your orders are delivered to the right location without requiring manual address selection each time. Amazon has optimized the address management experience for mobile devices. The improved mobile interface makes it easy to edit addresses and set defaults directly from your smartphone or tablet, ensuring you can manage your addresses anywhere. Regular address maintenance is key to a smooth Amazon shopping experience. Review your addresses periodically, keep your default address current, and remove any outdated locations to maintain both convenience and privacy protection.